Hate to see that.
I know.
Wow. I mean, more than 100 people dead. The number kept going up and up today.
And many times these major earthquakes, even around the world, can even be registered in Kentucky with our earthquake devices here, because you know, we've got fault lines that we also know well in western Kentucky, New Madrid.
Yeah, that we always have to watch closely. And as you mentioned, aftershocks will be a concern down there as they continue to clean things up. Back here at home, a very stormy pattern that we're under, not only here at home, but areas off to the north and northwest as well, because of this kind of atmospheric pattern that we're under, which is, we call it northwest flow. And what that means is we can have storms that ride from northwest to southeast over and over and over again throughout the course of the week. In addition to that, a lot of heat and humidity for these storms to tap into. So we do have a weather impact alert in place for tomorrow, specifically for the evening and overnight hours, due to these storms that will clip at least part of our Kentuckiana viewing area with strong winds, heavy rainfall. There is an isolated spin-up tornado threat, but usually with these clusters of storms, you're looking at damaging winds and heavy rain that can lead to localized flooding. Those would be our main concerns there. Our rain chances next 5 days, though, you'll notice that no particular day is looking like an 80 to 100% chance. A lot of these days will be scattered, 40 to about 60%. And this is not only for the coverage area of all of the counties that we do cover here at WHAS, but also the confidence levels, because when we are caught under northwest flow and we have waves of showers and storms day after day, the previous wave will impact the placement and intensity of the next wave. So just keep in mind that these numbers might change as we head throughout the week, but one thing is for certain, as we have a ridge of high pressure that moves more so over our region this weekend, that will help suppress some of the rain chances but crank up the heat yet again. Rainfall over the next 5 days, this is just one model output here showing potential rainfall amounts through Saturday. And you're noticing the red streaks here. So these are the storms that will once again kind of ride northwest to southeast over the same areas. And even within our counties, much lower rainfall, not only chances, but impacts to the southwest. Higher chances and impacts the farther northeast that you do go, say up 71 closer to the Cincinnati metro. But one thing that we're definitely going to be watching in addition to our storm chances will be our humidity, because that is what's making it feel so much hotter. These dew points that are well into the 70s, and they're going to stay pretty elevated throughout the week. Satellite and radar for us, things are quiet here at home. You have an isolated storm near the Ohio and West Virginia border, more stronger storms that are cutting through Virginia right now up to D.C., down to North Carolina. And then I'm watching a few cells that are beginning to pop up in northern Illinois. But we're all feeling the heat and humidity this evening with heat indices in the triple digits. And your hour-by-hour futurecast through this evening, it's looking hot and humid, mostly dry, partly cloudy skies, an isolated shower or storm really over the next 12 to even close to 24 hours. Will be more so in our northeastern corner here. So the Cincinnati metro, for instance, looks to be hit a lot harder and more frequently with these storms compared to Louisville or even areas off to the southwest more so. But by tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night, the models do show these clusters of storms clipping at least the eastern and northeastern portions of our viewing area with strong winds, heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and that could continue into early Wednesday. And if showers and storms move over the same areas, that's when we have to watch for any kind of elevated flooding risk. So things are looking to be pretty busy across the region for the next several days with those clusters or rounds of showers and storms. It'll be hot and humid otherwise. And then once again, this weekend is trending mostly dry, but hot and humid with highs well into the 90s.